Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about extrude command. Extrude command is used for converting 2D drawing into 3D. For example, if I want to convert this shape into 3D, I will use extrude command. So right now I want to convert this shape into 3D. For that I will just go here. This is the extrude. Okay, I will click here, and here you can see different types of option like extrude, loft, okay, revolve, etc. So right now I need extrude, so I will click here to activate extrude command. Here you can see in command line it is asking about select a object to extrude. Okay, if I want to extrude this line, I can extrude this one. Okay, or if I want to extrude whole object, I can extrude whole. So what I will do, I will just select with crossing window. Okay, so I will select whole object and I will right click. Okay, and I will hit enter. Now it is asking about what? It is asking about what will be the extrusion height. So I have to give the extrude height here. So here I want to just give 50 unit of height, for example, and I will hit enter. So this object is going to extrude. But you can see here, it is not a solid shape. It is just surface. For example, this line and this line and this line and this line. This is not a solid shape. So this is just because of these lines were not joined. Okay, these were single lines. That's why we find a surface here. So let me just convert the visual style from 2D frame to just realistic. Okay, so I will just select this one. You can see this is not a solid shape. So let's just join these lines, okay, to convert it into combined profile. So for that, what I will do, I will just select this whole object like this, okay, and then I will use join command J and I will hit enter. Now this is a combined profile right now. Now let's see what will be the result here. I will just use extrude command. I will just click here to activate this one, and I will select this one and I will hit enter. Now you can see this is a solid shape here just because this was a combined profile. Now I will give a 50 unit of height and I will hit enter. Now you can see a difference between both of these. Now let me just change visual style from realistic to 2D wireframe, and I will just see what another methods are here for extrusion. Okay, so let me just take a line command here. Okay, I will just start from here and end up here. Okay, for this again I will just draw a shape here, rectangle shape. For example, I want to draw a rectangle, so I will just activate a rectangle command from here. I will draw a rectangle here. Okay, now what I want, I just want to apply another method. I will just click here to extrude this one. Okay, to activate this one, I will click here, I will select this one and I will hit enter. Now I will right click, and here you can see one of the option, that is path. So I have to just give a path. So for example, I will select this one and I will give this path to this shape. Okay, so I will give this path. Now you can see the direction is same as this path was. Now I will just change it into realistic. Okay, now you can see direction is as same as our path was. Now again, let's see one more option. Let me just create one more rectangle here. Okay, I will just activate this one from here. Okay, then what I will do, I will just activate this extrude command from here. I will click here and I will hit enter. Okay, now I will right click, and here you can see one of the option, that is taper angle. Okay, you can just give angle as well here, taper angle. I will click here and now I can just give taper angle as well. For example, I need here 45 degrees, so I will just give 45 here. Okay, and I will hit enter. Now you can see the shape is in angle. Okay, the height is in angle, so I will click here. So this was the taper angle extrusion. So these were some options in extrusion. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.